Hi guys, I greet you from RBTI. I want to show you through our clinic. That is our ozone and far infrared and nitrogen sauna. This is our Rife plasma generator. Um, yeah, working there. That's our base 44 Russian STEC machine. That's our RBTI test facility. And our dark field microscopy. That's our other sauna, ozone and steam. Our inverted table, our limb suit, where we do limb drainage. That's our half rounds. That's our treatment facility. A house where we got 3 rooms, 3 en-suites, another unit. So yes, this is just roughly an overview of RBTI. We receive people coming to our clinic, irrelevant of what disease. The biggest disease right now is shedding with spole protein and spike protein, with graphene in our body. 5G vibrate at a certain hertz, 1223 hertz. Our blood membrane vibrate at the same frequency. With graphene in our bodies, our body becomes susceptible to 5G. Then we receive 5G, not just our telephone, destroying white blood cells, destroying red blood cells membranes. I'm looking at people's red blood cells every day, and what a conglomerate. So your blood is being disturbed, your blood gets thick, blood can't get through veins, they chop off legs, they give heart operations, and like disease, whatever is failing in the human body, we sit with all sorts of disease in a human body that we're trying to get to and trying to understand. And I'm telling you today from RBTI Health and Wellness Pretoria that disease is inclining like incredibly because of thick blood. There's one solution. You can contact me. There's a solution. A tree receives 5G, but it roots it into the earth, although it's vibrated the whole time. So the tree receives the frequency, and there is harm. If you contact me, I can email you all the detail that I've written in a thesis. But we are disconnected with plastic rubber shoes. We're absorbing the frequency, screwing up our blood, and blood disease. So yeah, when we book people in here, we wash the colon, we wash the liver, we wash the gallbladder, and we clean the intestine. We do blood therapies, sauna therapies, hydrotherapies, lymph drainage. And first of all, we start with RBTI. RBTI standing for Reims's biological theory of ionization. It's how ions become a cloud, how a cloud becomes rain, how rain becomes ice. If we look at itself as an ice body coming from a colloid is a sand particle. There's 92 minerals. We exist out of minerals God made us. Plants grow in these minerals. The plants become colloids in an axil plant. The plant then gives us ions. The ions become body again. So our body is a conclusion of 92 minerals. RBTI see what is causing what symptom in the body, irrelevant of what the symptom is. Whatever may be wrong with you, RBTI will highlight the cause of such. So we work from a standpoint where we do an RBTI test, we accept you, roughly 2,500 rand a day and a night, and then we start with treatments. Next morning we do an RBTI test, every day we do a test, and we see the success the body is following. And likewise, do research RBTI Dr. Reims and see for yourself. Contact us, RBTI Health and Wellness, 081 44 325 34. Thank you very much, guys.